Moe Friends. Oh, whoa.
What's a Moe holding?
I think he's got a letter, so I think he probably better go exploring.
Why are you leaving?
Because Moe likes learning, and today Moe has a yearning to know more. Sing!
I see that you're carrying the letter G. It's the best letter, and that's a guarantee.
Moe loves to wander and roam.
If I were you, I'd probably stay at home. Take it easy, Mo.
Bye, Mo.
Cheerio, Moe.
Whoa, what's going on here?
Get your newspaper, darling. Remember, you're going to have your hand behind mine.
That looks really hot.
Good girl.
Moe needs to find out more. What is a glassblower?
Well, it's a person that blows air through a pipe and creates different shapes in the glass.
Oh,
And blow. Stop.
so what is glass made of?
Hot sand.
Are you serious?
Yes.
And then you heat it up, and that makes it into glass.
And then we use these long glass-blowing pipes, and then we
Okay.
gather up the hot glass, and we pretty much blow big bubbles. Then
Yeah.
we shape it. Here we go. So you come underneath there and roll, 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 roll.
What's she doing?
Roll, roll, roll,
Spinning it
roll,
around
roll.
and around.
Roll, 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 roll.
Why were you turning that pipe around and around?
Otherwise, the glass would dribble onto the floor because it was so hot. It's just like runny honey.
All right, so paper down, a little bit more water.
Oh, everyone's working together. Everyone's got a different job.
Gently, 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 and up. Well done. That was brilliant.
Now it's like a heart. Oh. Can they make other things out of glass?
Yes, they can make flower vases.
That's exactly what Moe needs. Could you please teach Moe how to make a vase out of
I would love
glass?
to.
I would love that too. Whoa. That looks hot.
And blow. Stop.
Oh, like a little bubble.
And blow.
Do you use the paper to shape the glass?
Yeah, it's our main shaping tool. Can I have some more water, please?
Oh, of course.
Thank you.
Moe likes this job.
Go for a little jack. So now we're going to put a little line in here.
Whoa.
So what we do now is we're finished with this side. We're going to attach a punty here, and then we're going to break it off here.
Oh. Came right off. Beautiful. Look at that. Must be nearly done. So when you finish making the vase, can Moe just take it home straight away?
No, we cool it down in an annealer,
Yeah.
and so it cools down slowly overnight, and then you get it the next day.
Oh,
So if we don't cool it down, it explodes.
what?
I know, it's full on.
And into the annealer to cool down. Moe will just wait patiently. For a whole day. Moe will get it tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.